Hi everyone, I'm Mike, Chief Commercial Officer of Dropify, and for today's video, pag-uusapan natin why should you start your own e-commerce business. Pero, ano nga ba ang e-commerce? E-commerce refers to the buying and selling of goods using the internet. That being said, bakit nga ba ito ang perfect time para mag-start ka ng sarili mong online business? Because in today's competitive and convenience-focused society, ayaw na ng mga consumers natin ang lumabas just to buy what they need and what they want. Instead, they want to do it from the comfort of their own homes, making e-commerce a more flexible solution for both businesses and consumers. Also, e-commerce is accessible, convenient, efficient. Accessibility is one of the major advantages of e-commerce. Bakit? Because it allows consumer to buy the things that they need and they want anytime, anywhere. Convenience is also one of the things that they take into consideration. E-commerce gives them the hassle-free shopping experience. Pero bakit nga ba naging convenient ang pag-shopping online? No traffic or travel. Di mo na kailangan pumunta at magtiis sa traffic na pagdadaanan mo pag pupunta ka sa mall na gusto mong puntahan. Wala ring line na pipilahan pag magbabayad ka ng item na binili mo. Maraming payment method na pwede kang pagpilian. Pwede kang magbayad through credit card, PayPal, GCash, or cash on delivery. Mas maraming stores, mas maraming products, mas marami kang options. And lastly, for both consumers and business owners, e-commerce is time and cost efficient, making it a more scalable type of business. With the continuous development and change in the buying behaviors of our consumers, maraming negosyo ang nagta-transition or nagshi-shift from traditional to online. This only shows that there is a great opportunity for e-commerce, lalong-lalo na dropshipping, which has been magnified ngayong mga panahon na to, na every one of us or most of us are stuck in our homes and the best means to buy the goods and products is through online. Ngayon, babalikan ko ang tanong mo. Kailan ba dapat magsimula or kailan ka dapat magsimula ng sarili mong online business? My answer is now. Yup, ngayon, dapat magsimula ka na ng sarili mong online business. Pero sir, saan at paano ba ako magsisimula? Simulan mo sa pag-aaral. Hindi kasi tulad ng ibang negosyo, ang e-commerce ay hindi madali. It would take time bago mo makabisado ang laro ng e-commerce. Maraming mga platforms kung saan pwede mo itong mapag-aralan na available sa YouTube. Available din ang Lazada University, Shopee University, para mapag-aralan mo kung paano magbenta sa mga platforms na ito. Siguradong malaking tulong ang may bibigay nito sa'yo pag ito ay nakabisado mo. Ngayon, pag natutunan mo na kung paano ito gawin, you must take the next step. Start your own business. Risk it. Kailangan mo ma-experience ito firsthand dahil mas marami kang learnings na ma-experience or matututunan pag sinimulan mo na itong gawin. Also, pag sinimulan mo na itong gawin, kailangan mag-exert tayo ng time and effort. Pero darating ang panahon, baka pwede rin tayong mag-fail. Pero it doesn't mean that we should stop there. Let us remember that this is a journey. The more we do it, the more learnings that we will have. Mas magiging better tayo in the future. If you want to make the big step and start your own business pero ayaw mo maglabas ng malaking capital, you might want to consider subscribing to Dropify, the first ever COD dropshipping company that will enable you to sell on Lazada and Shopee. And if you become one of Dropify's dropshippers, hindi mo na kailangan isipin yung inventory, yung warehouse and fulfillment, manpower, logistics, and modes of payment. Dropify will take good care of that. All you need to do is just to market the product and Dropify will do the rest. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell para lagi ka updated kung meron kaming ilalabas na bagong videos. Maraming salamat!